Welcome to the Photopea Refined Edge tool tutorial. We're going to use the Refined Edge tool to remove the background from an image and keep all these fine hairs on the dog intact in the process, okay? So let's go ahead and get started here. I've already saved this as a Photoshop file. That way I can go back and open it up if I need the dog. All right, so go to File, New. I want you to make something that's maybe like a 5 by 7 inch document and 300 resolution. Okay. We don't want to make it too big because doing 300 resolution, it seems to really bog down the system compared to the 72 DPI last tutorial. So if it's still not running well at 300 resolution, maybe you have a slower internet connection, just go ahead and make a 72 DPI instead of 300 and turn it in. And just let me know that your internet was going slow. All right, so, and I'm naming it Refined Edge Dog. We want to put your name on there. All right, let's go. Create. First thing you want to do is open and place the dog that I gave you guys. Let it load. It takes a second. You're uploading the image to their website. All right. And then it's going to be really pixelated, preview mode, and you hit the check mark, and there you go. So what we're going to do is you're going to use a quick selection tool to select the dog and create a mask. When you first upload it, it might be a smart object if you have a PNG of the file instead of a JPEG. So right click it and rasterize it. Now it's on a smart object. And then using the same tool in the W area over here, press W. You have object selection, quick selection, magic wand. We used the magic wand in the last video for the apple. You're gonna use the quick selection tool here. Click that. We're gonna focus on the dog here, and we're gonna quickly select it. You see how it did a really fast outline of the dog? Okay, it's not perfect. We're gonna go ahead and use the Refined Edge tool to make it look a lot better. Because if I were to Control-Shift-I and delete the background, that red fuzz, which we can edit later, but it's just really clunky. We're gonna try to make it look more like hair. All right, so Control-Z to undo. Hit the Refined Edge tool. Oh, one step that I forgot here. You want to hit Control-Shift-I. So Control, Shift, and I all together. And it'll select the inverse, or go to select inverse up here where it says Shift Control I. All right, now we have the dog selected. Refined Edge. Okay. Actually, I think we didn't have the dog selected. We had the dog selected. Okay. So there's a couple things to notice here. There are two screens. You have where you work on the left and the preview mode on the right. If you want to move around, you got to click on the right side and drag. Okay. That actually is a bit tricky. I didn't like that. Took me a minute to figure that one out. Then you have white, which will add stuff that we missed, or stuff that we over deleted. So if you notice that the quick selection tool accidentally deleted part of the nose, which I can kind of see here, where it grays out. Control-Z. Go back, because I didn't mean to add that much. Make a smaller brush over here. And I want to fix the top part of the nose. I'll zoom in on it so you guys know what I'm talking about. Right here. Okay, I over selected with the quick selection tool. Now working with a 2-pixel brush is kind of a bad idea. There. All right. Using white, I can go and add the nose back. Repair it. I'm refining it. Just said the title of the video within the video. All right. So there you go. Still missing part of the nose, you can see there, so popping that in there. Okay, now I got a sniffer on this dog. All right. Other tool is the black color here. You can delete or erase when you paint with it. I'm gonna use that around there. Gray tool we're gonna use for capturing the hair. Okay. So we can go around here and sample. Have the gray selected? Yeah, I do. And you can get actually pretty precise with this. I mean, you can't go down to 1 pixel, but, or I wouldn't go down to 1 pixel, but you can outline these and it will help refine this and make it look like it's cutting out the hair of the dog, okay? And some of this is a review for you guys. We have done this using Photoshop, so like, I mean, don't say that we have done this already, but we're learning it in a new software. Honestly, I think that might look better. You can definitely see a difference from this side right here where I did it as compared over there. I think it needs a little more here. I think this actually is pretty white for right around here. I'm gonna refine that. So you want to do that all around. You want to take your time. Again, this is a video tutorial. I'm trying to keep it under 10 minutes and it's going to be pretty close to 10 minutes. All right, so I'm gonna speed up here and do a really clunky job of the edge. I know that if you were doing this, you would take your time and make a better one. Kind of just barely going over the edge. That doesn't look too bad. I'm not even trying. Okay. Down here, I'm really, if you notice, I'm keeping most of it on the white, the hair. So I'm only trying to grab out those hairs that are that tone. Okay. Oh wait, I don't know why I did that. That was stupid. Got a little overzealous there. Okay. And I think I need to go down right there, so getting the white down a little bit there. All right. Other important thing, when we copy this, see, I'm not really concerned about this spot down here because I'm not going to use this part of the dog. I mean, I'm going to run the brush down just to kind of make sure I do go down there, I have something, but I'm only going to cut off about the chest of the dog, so I'm not really concerned about it being perfect. All right, so you want to copy to a new layer. We're not going to do a mask or a selection. If you wanted to, you could do a selection, which could be useful for like getting rid of some colors, which I should probably also, I wish I could do both at the same time, but you definitely could do that if you wanted to get rid of some of the tones of the red and make a layer over it. But we're just going to do a new layer. Okay. Not bad. So that's it. We're just cropping out this dog. The next video, we're going to take the dog and the apple and we're going to place the objects in a new scene. Okay? It should be fun.